Good evening, good day. What's up to the Otter Gang? Hope you're doing well, drinking some tea. It's evening here in Sydney. Just wanted to say what's up, get you some price prediction, let you know that you guys, you're my other half, or my otter half, as we like to say. And guess what? The price has gone down and the price has gone up, and as a scalper, we don't get much sleep. But the otters always manage to get away with the bank. So today, what have we done? Wow. This has been so exciting, hasn't it? Look at this great action. As we can see, it's been the weekend. Like I said last video, is that we haven't had much action on the charts because really, when we look at this, it's been Thanksgiving weekend. A lot of people are on holiday. They're not doing too much, right? But Monday's coming. We got the GDP growth coming in. We got the unemployment rate coming in. And we got the spending coming in at the end of this week. So will we finally get some price action, right? We've got our levels because you come and check this out with me every morning. Even though it's my evening, I know you're here checking it out. And we're prepared, right? So let's get prepared. Let's get our levels. Let's hope for the best. And let's make some cashola. All right? So we had a red blood diamond print on the 45 last night. And it brought us down a little bit. Not too much. If you got in here, we had a little 1.8% move. And that was about all we had. Now, I managed to wake up, grab a little short from here, and I got in and out real quick, and I managed to schlong, but I was out. So I didn't schlong. I just longed back up to here to the POC, as we'll see once we mark out our levels. So I was actually profitable today and had a really good trading day. So if you want these levels, stay tuned because we're going to give them to you like we do every day. So make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell notification, give this video a like because you know what? We're a weekend and, we've posted every single day. Any requests for any other coins would gladly be appreciated. I would be glad to do them in the evening, give you some levels, and just drop them down in the comments and we'll get to them. I'm here to work for the people, right? Just some pretty crazy stuff. Like BitBoy's over in Bahamas right now, chasing down Sang Bankman-Fried. So, there's a lot of stuff going on in the cryptoverse versus just Bitcoin going sideways. Now, there has been opportunities in other coins. So if you would like me to take a look at them, don't hesitate to put them down in the comments. So yeah, I'm going to mark out these levels. They remain very similar to before. Right? But if we're prepared, we can trade them just like I did today and we can make money, right? That's the key. Let's make some guala, cash dollars, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so let's get these levels. Let's get these levels, friends, because right now it's been very sideways. It's been almost hard to watch, right? It's been almost hard to watch, but we will have some volume coming up, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so my VRVP doesn't seem to want to work right now. This is interesting. So we'll mark out our bottom here. Bang. Reload. Holy smokes, Batman. Okay, sorry about that. Sometimes the computer just wants to have a little, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to mark this all out. We got our point of control, right? We got our value area high, which we haven't been able to get above, right? Which is, in fact, holding us right down. Price is not being able to get above this. We've got bull divs on the dailies. We've gotten all these signals of bullish signs and nothing's really come through, right? So it's been a frustrating weekend because last weekend we got quite the move. I remember last weekend. I'm pretty sure it was back here and we just dropped like it was hot. Yeah, there we go. There it is. And if we caught that, that was a nice trade, right? That was last Friday, right? That was a nice trade. Bang, right? And then bang, back up to here, right? So there was nice trades. There was a little bit of trades this weekend, but not too much, right? So we got another V-shaped recovery basically today. What else do we have? I want to zoom in because the price action hasn't been too busy, right? Alt R on your keyboard will reset the screen if you didn't know that. I know double clicking on the right hand side is easy, but if you have your hand near the keyboard, you can just hit Alt R and it'll center it and turn your auto back on. Then you can swap in between all of your time zones, because I know that can be quite annoying. So that's just a little quick tip for the friends out there. The 12-minute, as Jason Casper likes to say, is a little good old time zone to be checking out our levels here. So we're going to pull some fibs. We're going to get, oh, that's in my way. We're going to pull the fibs here. I'm going to pull it long, right? So obviously there's confluence here with our golden pocket, and you know what? It's been rejecting us, you know? It hasn't been very nice to us. If we're in a long, because I'm currently a long from down here. Right here, I'm long. I'm not lying. I'll post it. Frankie Discords. But yeah, it hasn't been too nice to us. So right now, we're just preparing ourselves for Monday. Hopefully we can get some movement in the charts and get ready for a beautiful, busier price action of a day. Because this is utterly ridiculous. Just like in the thumbnail, this is utterly ridiculous. I know I have a meme in there somewhere, but I'm not going to pull it out right now because I know you guys are waiting for these levels, right? You're waiting for these levels. You're trying to trade these levels, and you want to make some dollars at these levels. So how are we going to trade this? Now, we got to take a full-on look, right? So Market Cipher SR does help me here. And does give me some extra confluence if I were to look at it, right? So I can throw one here, I can throw one here, and it just helps me be more aware of areas, right? So I know that there's areas down here, right? This is pretty low, so we got to be ready, right? Because we can look for a swing failure here, right? If we continue down, let's say we continue down, and then we get a swing failure, and then we can come back up, right? So we got to be prepared at all these levels. There's money to be extracted from the markets, right? The market makers, as they say, Tino, is always looking to pump price up. Now, I'm in this belief right now, and I could be wrong. I will be preparing for it, but I'm in this belief that we need to come back out and get these guys. We need to get these guys. These guys up here, these guys up here, and these guys up here, we need to come and get them because those shorts need to be get by the market maker, right? I believe that that would be the ideal to fill these gaps, right? All this gappage up here, if we turn on the VRVP, we know that there's a gap. I've mentioned this multiple times, right? We know that there's this big volume gap up here, right? You see it? The big square that I've pointed out multiple times. So we got a big, stinky, quick move, right? If we don't manage to get above this zone, right? So how can we prepare? How can we prepare for these guys? Well, we got to prepare by getting our levels, right? So I'm going to put in the levels for you guys, just like I always have, just like I continue to do. Hopefully you are enjoying these videos. I'm enjoying your company, and I'm enjoying making them for you. I've actually had a really good week. I've had a fractured ankle from work. I've managed to get to work. I've managed to do my levels after work. I'm a carpenter by trade. And I've managed to keep you guys updated on these charts, right? Because I have committed to you guys, and I want you to know that I'm not going anywhere, right? Not going anywhere. So you're stuck with me because I'm utterly delicious, right? But I hope you all had a friggin' amazing Thanksgiving, friends and family, or if you don't have tons of friends and family, you know, you're already part of the Otter Gang. You're already family here. We love having you. I really appreciate you guys coming and helping me out and supporting the channel. And just let me know if I could be of any more service. If you want me to go through some of my strategies, I would be glad to. I always love to share what my experience has been just so that you guys can have one yourself that's positive, right? So here are my levels. I will share them in the Frankie Candles Discord group, because I do not have my own. Maybe I will one day, but I'm a very active member in that Discord. Shout out to Frankie Candles. He was part of a big reason why, I started doing this, and the Otter Gang and all of my friends I've made throughout that Discord. It's a great Discord, and I consider them all like trading family. So here's my levels. I will be looking right now for us to take this POC. My thoughts right now is I'm hoping to. I am biased because I am in a long right here, right? So I am biased. I've taken profit here, and I've taken profit up here. But I do have some more take profits up at the value area, high area, that I would like to see this get up to. So we've changed market structure right now. We were heading downwards, and now we've put in a higher high, coming back at it, right? It's kind of messy, but if we can get above here, so we got, new market structure, and hopefully we can make it above here. If not, I have a stop loss underneath this low. So yeah, it's been a good day for me, but also it's because I've had a plan, I've managed my mindset, and I've executed, right? And I've taken a little bit of risk, but my risk to reward ratio is much greater than the losses I could have had, right? So I came with a plan. I saw these beautiful uneven butt cheeks that Jason Casper talks about all the time. Go check out his channel too. I saw this. I jumped in because, why not? There had to be a good trade today. So I got in on here, took that trade, rode that up, and it's worked out, right? So I hope you guys all have had an amazing day. God bless you. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for checking this out. Thank you for supporting the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Otter Gang out. Alex O Crypto out. Take care. Love you.